In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add video to Godaddy Website Builder. To begin, sign in to your Godaddy dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look for the Websites Plus Marketing section. Find the website you want to work on, then click Manage next to that site. This will take you to the control area for your website. From there, click Edit Website to open your website workspace. This is where you can make changes to your layout and content. Give the page a moment to load fully so you can clearly see where you want your video to appear. If you want to add a brand new video section, move your cursor over the part of the page where you want the video to go. As you hover through the layout, you will see the option to add a new section. Click that, then go to the right-hand panel and choose Audio and Video. You will be shown different layout templates for video sections. Pick the one that fits your page best, then click Add. This inserts the video section directly into your page. After the section is added, look over to the configuration panel on the right side. Here, make sure the media type is set to video. This is important because the same section can sometimes support different media formats, and you want to be sure you are editing the video settings specifically. Next, you will choose the video you want to display. If your video is already hosted online, use the video link option. Copy the public share link from YouTube or Vimeo, then paste it into the text field. Make sure it is a public link so the video can display correctly on your site. If you prefer to upload a file directly, use the Upload option instead. Click Change Video or click Upload if that is the label you see. Then select an MP4 file from your computer. After that, wait for the upload to finish. The file will be added to your Godaddy media library, and once it is ready, it can be used in that video section. As you go, it is a good idea to double-check that the correct video appears in the preview area. That helps you confirm everything is set up the way you want before moving on. That covers everything you need to know.